I would like for our clients, when they leave our premises, to know that they have made the right decision, that they've chosen the right materials, they feel totally comfortable about their selection. It's about the experience that the client has from the beginning, when they call, all the way to the end, when they leave with the product on hand. My name is Anthony Bogo, and I'm the owner and president of Atlantic Tile Distribution. I was born and raised in Naples, Italy. So I lived on ceramic tile floors pretty much all my life. And I remember there were primarily 8x8s that made up a beautiful design. And I was playing with little trucks and soldiers and whatever you. So that is something that I remember, because that's the only thing we had, was all ceramic tile. And little did I know that that passion really goes back to when I was an altar boy in Italy, because I attended church and served mass where they had probably one of the first Maiolica type of installations. And I remember walking through there and looking at these beautiful gardens with all these hand-painted tiles, wondering who had actually painted them, what they were thinking, and what the themes were all about. But I think the important thing to remember is that there are a lot of memories made on floors, and then in this particular case, why not? Why not floors? Or why not a shower? Or why not something that it becomes very special? But as far as the fashion, as far as that feeling good kind of sense that you get when you walk in a nice environment or in a nice showers, I think it's worthwhile doing. We at Atlantic Tile are a one-stop shop. We have setting materials, we have sealers, we have tools, we have a rental program, we have porcelain tiles for floors, we have wall tiles, we have glass tiles, we have pool tiles, just about anything one would need in order to work in a project, ceramic tile project, we would have it. And we have that for our residential clients, our developers, our contractors, just about anyone who needs ceramic tile is in the middle of a project, we have what they need. And a lot of times people will show things, or they walk around and look at things and they have no idea that these products existed. So we're pleased to say we have them, and they having to go to Miami or to Atlanta or to Jacksonville, for the most part, is no longer necessary. We have a source here, and Atlantic Tile is a good source, and we will continue to do that over the years. Whether you're a homeowner, a designer, an architect, a building contractor, or if you have questions, we invite you to visit with us at 7805 Ellis Road, or just call us with your questions at 321-802-4200.